Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya Jadhav and today we are going to learn English Grade 10 Supplementary Reading 1 A Triumph of Surgery written by James Herriot. So over here first we are going to learn about the characters. In the previous video we have gone through a brief summary of the chapter as well as reading and explanation of the chapter. So today we are going to discuss about the question and answers, which are your textual question and answers and which are really very important in context to the board exams. So first let us have a look towards the characters. Now, as this is a short story, in short story we have 2 or 3 characters, not more than that. So over here in this story there are 3 main characters. The first character is Tricky. Tricky is a small, pampered and overfed rich dog. The second character is of Mr. Herriot, a veterinary doctor. The third character is of Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich woman and mistress of Tricky. So let us have a look towards the introduction for answers. So whenever you write question answers, introduction is really very important because this gives the paper checker a brief idea about how much you know about the chapter, and your presentation also becomes really very good. So the first point is introduction. Prose name, A Triumph of Surgery. Author's name, James Herriot. Genre, short story. Summary. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill by his mistress and consults a veterinary surgeon. So now let us go through the question answers. The first question. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Now the first question says itself, what was the reason that Mrs. Pumphrey was worried? So over here important points related to answers are being put forward and these points should be included in your answers. So the first point is Mrs. Pumphrey was worried because he, means Tricky, was inactive. The second thing was that he seemed that he had no energy. She overfed the dog and has become fat like blotted sausage. Wasn't having enough exercise. Eyes were blotted and roomy and tongue lolled from his jaws. So these were the reasons why Mrs. Pumphrey was worried about Tricky. So let us go through the second question. So the question number 2. What did Mrs. Pumphrey do to help Tricky? Was she wise in doing this? What was the reason that what treatment Mrs. Pumphrey was doing was correct or not? So the points are, when Mrs. Pumphrey saw Tricky had no energy, she thought that she was suffering from malnutrition. The next point is, so she started giving him extra food every hour, like some malt, cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks at night, and sweets like ice cream, cake, chocolates, etc. No sufficient exercise was given to Tricky. She was not at all wise that this was creating more and more problem for Tricky and she was making the dog more ill. So Mrs. Pumphrey thought that as Tricky was unfit, or we can say he was inactive, she thought that he might be suffering from malnutrition. So all this extra food was given to him, no exercise was done, and this was the reason that Tricky was becoming more and more ill. So the decision taken by Mrs. Pumphrey was not at all wise. The third question. Who does I refer to in the story? A triumph of surgery. What does he do? I in the story is the narrator, means the writer, Mr. James Herriot, who was a veterinary surgeon. So over here, I refers to the writer himself. Doctor said that she should avoid giving him sweet things, and he should be given proper diet along with plenty of exercise. So the doctor told that sweet things must be avoided, and moreover to that, proper diet should be given to Tricky so that his health could be cured enough. But when Mrs. Pumphrey called, she conveyed that Tricky stopped having food and was vomiting. So he decided to take him to surgery under observation till fortnight. Okay, so this was the activity which was done by the doctor. First, when he met Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky, he acknowledged Mrs. Pumphrey that a strict diet must be followed for Tricky, as he was becoming really very fat and this was not good for his health. But Mrs. Pumphrey didn't heed to the words. So at the end, the situation of Tricky was getting worse and worse, and the final step which doctor took, he took Tricky to surgery and kept him under observation till fortnight. The next question is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Why was he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? So the answer is no. The narrator wasn't as rich as mistress. When he informed Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky was recovering, she started sending food and drinks for Tricky. But these things weren't provided to Tricky, but the doctors and his partners enjoyed them, and they were tempted to make Tricky their permanent partner. Now what happened? The doctor wasn't as rich as mistress. So when Mrs. Pumphrey came to know that Tricky was recovering, she was not really very happy and overjoyed, and because of this thing, she started sending food items for Tricky. Means if we have done the reading, yes, in the previous video you have seen that 2 dozens of eggs were being sent, and moreover to that, a bottle of wine was sent, a bottle of rum was sent. Yes, so all these things was being provided to Tricky, but the doctor was not providing any of the food items to Tricky. Yes, and they themselves were enjoying. So because of this thing, the doctor and his partners were tempted to make Tricky their permanent member. The next question is, how does the narrator treat Tricky? What was, we can say, the medical treatment given to Tricky? Doctor took overfed Tricky with him to surgery, and he didn't provided any sort of extra comfort to him. As you all know that Tricky was in a worse condition when doctor saw him, so he took an immediate action and he told Mrs. Pumphrey that he was supposed to be hospitalized for 15 long days. So when he brought Tricky to surgery, no extra comfort was given to him. He was being treated same as other dogs. He wasn't given food for 2 days, and he was only on water. On the 3rd day, he started showing some interest in other dogs. For 2 days, he was not well, he was not keeping well, he was only given water. But after 2 days, he started showing some interest. On 5th day, an extra bowl was kept for him. Soon, he was included in the gang. He was being bowled over, tramped and squashed. He was accepted member of the gang. Doctors' care changed Tricky into a lithe, hard-muscled animal without any surgery. He was fit and fine. So, without giving any sort of medical treatment, just by the process of how other dogs were kept, he made Tricky a really very hard muscled animal. The next question: why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the doctor's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Doctor kept Mrs. Pumphrey's dog Tricky for fortnight and made the sick dog lithe and fine. He was called Mrs. Pumphrey to get Tricky back. A chauffeur driven luxury car was standing outside the surgery. So, over here, how Mrs. Pumphrey at the end of the chapter tells that this recovery is a triumph of surgery. Now, once the dog was kept over there for 14 or 15 days, and after that, the situation of Tricky was really very good. He had changed himself into a muscled animal, and at that time, doctor called Mrs. Pumphrey to get Tricky back. So within few moments, eventually to be said, Mrs. Pumphrey came to take Tricky, and a chauffeur driven luxury car was standing outside the hospital or surgery. She was happy and thanked the doctor. She had never dreamt that her pet will be well by exercise and no overfeeding. She had lost hope that what situation she had seen of Tricky, she was thinking that now it was not possible for Tricky to live for a longer time duration. But when she came to know about the treatment, she was really very happy to know that without giving extra food and with plenty of exercise, he has become and he has changed himself. She believed that as the doctor operated on dog and made him fit and fine, so it was a triumph of surgery. She believed that as doctor operated without any operation or treatment and made him really very fit, she at the end tells that this is a victory of surgery. Okay, so this is all about the important textual question answers which are given to you. Thank you for watching. If you are having any doubt, you can comment in the comment section below. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.